Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be using the component pattern to create our 4 bolts. To use component pattern, so on that we have linear and we have circular. And the linear component pattern and circular works the same way as the feature. So in this example, we are going to use the circular. And again, under the perimeter, you want to select any circular face. So let's select in our perimeter and let's select the circular face. Or we can also use a temporary axis. The number of instances, in this example, we want 4. So we type in 4 in there. Equal spacing and components to pattern. We'll come and select our bolts. And we are not skipping any instance. And press OK. And that is how you use the component pattern in SolidWorks assembly. And all your patterns will be under the local circle pattern. And if you click on the drop down, you see all your bolts in there. And thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.